Hi, so for today's craft, we're going to be making Roblox Christmas cards. And I had just finished making this birthday card and I thought, oh, I'm going to have to make a lot for Christmas. So I kind of came up with a design and I thought I would share in case you downloaded this logo or a similar one. So right now, this is the one that I made, this green one. So I'll show you how I made this green card. So I just hid the old one. We don't need that for now. And it's super simple. We just get a circle and change it to 5 inches in diameter. And I checked that it will cover like a couple gift cards or so. I'm just gonna make it green because my paper is green. And then I'm gonna get that rounded square again and kind of put it at the top so it looks like an ornament. And you can adjust the size however you want. You just don't want it to stick out too much, because I'm using a 12 by 12 paper and this fits perfectly. So then I select both. Hi, so for today's craft, we're going to be making Roblox Christmas cards. And I had just finished making this birthday card and I thought, oh, I'm going to have to make a lot for Christmas. So I kind of came up with a design and I thought I would share in case you downloaded this logo or a similar one. So right now, this is the one that I made, this green one. So I'll show you how I made this green card. So I just hid the old one. We don't need that for now. And it's super simple. We just get a circle and change it to 5 inches in diameter. And I checked that it will cover like a couple gift cards or so. I'm just gonna make it green because my paper is green. And then I'm gonna get that rounded square again and kind of put it at the top so it looks like an ornament. I'll line it horizontally and I'm gonna weld it. So now we have one piece. I'm just gonna duplicate this and then rotate it 180 degrees. And then we're gonna connect it just like the other card, just at the very ends. And I like to align them like on that 1-inch line so that I can kind of get the placement. So this one's aligned with the 1 inch, that one too, and that one's just barely touching. So I'm gonna select both and weld this again. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the scoring line. So I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees, shorten it and put it right in that middle. And then select both and attach. And then now we're gonna add the inside text. So I'm gonna write Merry, and I'm gonna use the sideways Roblox block and Moss, I guess. So it's Merry Robloxmas, I guess. And this is a font, Roblox, that I downloaded from thefont.com and it was free. So now we're just gonna resize it so it fits kind of in the middle. And then instead of a cut, we're gonna go to pen and we're gonna use a marker. I think I'll use the gold this time. But this is the Cricut metallic markers. So I'm gonna select both and then center it. And then select it and attach. So now the main body of the card is ready. And now I'm just gonna adjust the size of this R. So I'm gonna duplicate it because I do like this size for the other square card. So I'm gonna just play around with this one. So that looks good. I like the size. I'm gonna hide this one. And then I think we're ready to make it. And then I'm gonna do 2, since 2 will fit on a 12 by 12 sheet. Okay, so that looks good. Continue. And for my base material, I'll just use cardstock. And I'm gonna edit tools. I don't have the scoring wheel, but I do have the scoring stylus. Okay, so that looks good. And now I'm gonna start cutting. Okay, sorry for the bad lighting. It's like almost dark and it's rainy. But here are all my pieces. So this is the main body of the card with the scoring line, so super easy. It folds right in the center. And I did 2 cards. So I'm gonna just, you know, put it on there so I can get a sense of where it's gonna be. I think I'll start with the R. So I'm using this Scotch permanent glue sticks just like last time. I'll just go over it real quick, but in case you didn't watch the other video. But I like to use a glue stick versus Elmer's glue, because sometimes when you put too much Elmer's glue, it kind of warps the paper. And a glue stick is good, but you do have to put a lot and go all the way to the edge. So I go from like the inside out and even around that center. And I'm just gonna eyeball this. Luckily, it's like an imperfect kind of shape, so it's very forgiving. And I'm gonna put glue on the white R. And then put that in the center. Okay, and I'll just do, I guess, this one real quick. Okay, and then, so it looks pretty cute. I like the colors. The gold looks nice. And I thought I'll add like a little bit extra. So I just have a hole punch. Oh, this is a heart hole punch. I guess that's okay. I don't know where my other hole punch went. Okay, well, I guess for now we'll do a heart. So I just put it on the top. And then, let's see. I had 2 options for the string, like this baker's twine or this gold. I didn't know which one would look better. I guess I'll do one of each. And then you can like hang it on a gift or on the tree, I guess, too. That would kind of be cute since it's like an ornament. I don't know, I'm just getting a piece. How big is this? About 10 inches. So I'll do the same. And then I'm just gonna simply put it in. And then tie a knot. It's kind of a big card, like it's the size of my hand. So that's why I made it kind of like a bigger loop. Okay, so what do you think? Baker's twine or gold? I'm kind of leaning toward the gold. Yeah, I don't know. It makes it look more like an ornament. Anyways, so I have the gift cards, and what I would do, I would probably give like 1 or 2, I don't know. So that would fit. I have some washi tape. You can use regular tape too. I just want to secure it. So like what I would do is take 4 pieces and put it all on the sides. Because washi tape, you know, isn't like super sticky, but I think it'll be enough to hold it if you have 4 pieces. Okay. And if you have cute washi tape too, it kind of like adds. So yeah, they won't like fall out or anything like that. Especially if it's like hanging on a gift or on the tree. So yeah. And if you want to make it like extra secure, I guess, you could put a little tape at the bottom. I think that would look fine too. And then kind of seals it. But yeah. So I'll probably be making a lot of these. Hope you guys try it. You can use any logo you want. It doesn't have to be Roblox. It could be like Minecraft or I don't know. Any kind of like gift card logo would work. Even the square would work. Maybe you could do it in like white or I don't know. But yeah, this works with like all kinds of stuff. So hope you guys make it. Like just spice up your gift card giving. And thanks for watching. And please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.
Inside, they're getting ready.